Bezos is going to be, will fly on the first passenger space flight of his company, Blue Origin, this July. He's going to get up there in space.
Good for him.
Oh.
Daring.
You like that?
The first flight?
He took all the money he saved on taxes and made a spaceship.
There you go.
Blue Origin plans to launch the mission on July 20th. It'll be the 52nd anniversary of the Apollo 11 moon landing. His brother is going to join him, as well as the winner of an auction being held for one of the seats. Now, the auction is currently sitting, I think, at $2.8 million. His brother, on the other hand, was quite surprised to find out that he will be joining him. And Bezos posted an Instagram video. I think he's getting more active on social media. Yeah, he's no longer got that big title at Amazon. He's got a little time on his hands, and he's posting over there on social media. Instagram.
It's one Earth. I want to go on this flight.
There you go.
Because it's a thing I've wanted to do all my life.
There you go, Will.
It's an adventure. It's a big deal for me. I invited my brother to come on this first flight because...
There you go. They got horses and cowboy hats, and now they got a spaceship.
Would you? Are you serious?
I am. I think it would be meaningful.
It's so produced.
I wasn't even expecting him to say that he was.
He said, I think it would be meaningful to have my brother there.
I was just awestruck.
Seriously?
If you're willing, if you want to.
God.
Yeah. What a remarkable opportunity, not only to have this adventure, but to be able to do it with
That's pretty
my
wild.
best friend.
Right on.
I love you. I love you too.
A hug? First human flight. Look at this. So you're up there for a few minutes. You guys spend $2.8 million because you're not Bezos' brother.
Sure.
Well, I hate to break it to you.
Yeah.
You have to actually outbid the $2.8 billion.
Is it just him and his brother?
No, and the dude who wins the auction.
Oh, so 3 people. Wow, that's really intimate.
Well, the thing can only hold, I believe it can hold 6 eventually. Am I crazy? Where did I get that number? I was around there.
It looks like it's 6.
It's going to go past the edge of space, reaching an altitude of more than 340,000 feet, which is more than 100 kilometers. It has massive windows to give passengers a view, and you'll spend a few minutes in zero gravity before returning to Earth.
I mean, it's quite an adventure.
It's another one that's hard to put a value on. To say you were a part of that, it almost does seem worth $2.8 million to somebody. Like, you could make a case that is undervalued. If there's people out there that have hundreds of millions of dollars or billions of dollars.
Yeah, what's 2.8?
To go to space.
Yeah.
But I don't know if the auction will finish at that particular number because there's a little time left, right? What are we talking about? July 20th.
And I guess you get to meet Bezos.
What do you think? I mean, the inside of the cabin is pretty cool.
Uh-huh.
The way those seats are, like you're leaning back, you see space, you get new perspective, multi-million-dollar perspective, Willie.
We should have a work trip. If it's 6,
well, pricey.
Ben can come.
Pricey work trip over there.
Yeah.